This is AltSnap, a tool that allows you to move and resize windows by using the Alt key like on Linux. It's available in 32-bit, 64-bit, installer and portable versions. AltSnap can also run on old Windows versions, according to the author. I'm using the portable version for this video. Simply unpack the archive and then run the AltSnap executable. To drag the window, hold the Alt key and left-click anywhere on the window. Then you can move it without using the top bar. To resize the window, hold the Alt key and right-click on any corner area and move the mouse. You can check out the provided altsnap.txt for more details and instructions. It hides in the tray as well, where you'll find more options and a huge amount of settings and configurations. That's pretty much it for AltSnap.